This is Mobile Dauda. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So here you'll be learning everything about Power BI, everything about Power Query, everything about life as a data analyst and as a BI developer. Let's go into it. The file into Power Query. So what is a CSV file? CSV file is a comma separated value file. So let's get into it. So how does the CSV file look? In this folder, let's see how a CSV file looks and then how Power Query will help us with that. So this is a CSV file. Can you see a CSV file is stored? It's different from how you see it in Excel, right? Customer key, everything is stored as a comma separated value. As a comma separated value. So for every row, every record, everything is different. Everything is for every row, every value. So this is the one column here, customer key, and you can see. So it's stored them row by, it doesn't even identify whether it's a row or a column, but it store each record as a comma separated value. That's what CSV means. So these are a CSV look like in normal raw format. When you want to transform this, you need to like transform into a tabular data, which sometimes might require a code. Say, okay, you know what, split this by comma into different stuff. But Power Query does that when you are extracting this type of data into Power Query, like you're connected to Power Query, to make it easier for you to see. Let's go into Power Query. So these are Power Query in Power BI. Just you know how to access it already. Just go to your Power Query. Let's go to your Power Query. Just come to New Source, or you can click on the drop down for shortcut because you are bringing CSV. But I'll click on New Source so you can see all the navigation experience. Then you click on CSV here now. It means you want to connect to a CSV file format. You click on Connect. You can see it takes you to where that you can locate that local file. And when I click on it, you already see how it looks like in normal CSV raw format. So when I select it, it will bring another pop-up here that will show you the preview. You can see Power Query automatically like detect that is a CSV and that split it that okay, this one comma is a column, these are the value. So it's telling you that okay, this is the file origin, it is the delimiter is comma. So sometimes it might not be comma, some people might be column, might be different type of format, but that's why it says the comma separated value. So it's showing you the preview. You already see the preview already in the normal raw data. And then you can see okay, the first 200 rows, does it match what you like to? And then you click on OK, Power Query will load it for you. And you can see in that aspect now, you already even do the change type, like all the data category you might need to assign. You want to transform, you want to claim to the right format. Power Query automatically does that for you. And these are you can get data from a CSV file. That'll be all. And then you can rename here, maybe get data from CSV. Yeah. So when you don't get your data, don't forget like transform, you load to come to Power BI, and then you find it here. You can see get data from CSV, get out. This is the previous one we get in our previous video. If you missed the previous video, you can catch up with it later, so to follow the service. So this will be all for our video today. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, put it in the comment section and I will look into it with that. If you enjoy the video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to get notified anytime I update a new video. Bye. See you in the next video.